Hey guys, welcome back to the Manic Mommy channel. I am Cassie and I am the Manic Mommy. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are doing the IPSY Glam Bag Plus unboxing for the month of September 2019. This is a upgraded version from the $12 a month subscription. This is the middle where you can get it for $25 a month, and then there's a higher up one, the third level, and that is $50 a month. And each box is guarantees you to have certain amount of product in there for the minimal amount you spent. I have really enjoyed this. This is only my third time with one of these, but from what I have had and feeling how heavy this thing is, I'm kind of excited to dig into it. So here we go. They tape it shut. That's a sticker. There you go. All right, so you open it up and it is a flip lid box, and you open it up and it has that cute little quote, and then it has yellow foam, which has been its signature thing that I have noticed. Inside you also find the theme and a list of the items and their prices. Hashtag discover yourself. Find your light. Cool. Inside shows me what I'm getting, and then it will show the full-size price, so I'll leave this out so I can reference it while I open out the box. First item I see is IPSY Antimatter Lipstick. Antimatter Lipstick. It's a non-drying lipstick in a vibrant poppy coral. Okay, the color is Solar, but that looks pretty red. Let's open this up and see what we are working with. Oh, I really like the lipstick tube. Very pretty. Black, shiny, sleek. But there's the shade. It's more of a pink than a coral. But you know what? I think I'm gonna put this, that's not a color I will use. So I'm gonna put this in the giveaway. And the giveaway info will be coming shortly. But this is a IPSY, I'm not really sure how to say that, but this lipstick is valued at $27, and this is full price, or full size. So, gonna go in the giveaway, pretty color. One of you lucky peeps is gonna get it. All right, Xoxo London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. I love their packaging. I think Xoxo has some pretty cute packaging. But this is a brand you see IPSY do a lot, but this is the first time I've had them do anything for me that isn't either lipstick or nail polish with this brand. So that's kind of an exciting thing. I don't usually get that kind of stuff. It makes me kind of like a ballerina, that dainty little bow. Extraordinary Translucent Powder. Okay, let's open it up. I feel like it has a floral scent, but very, very, very mellow. It just has a normal sifter. The cover's on it though, so I'm not gonna take the cover off till I'm ready to use it because it just makes a mess, you know? But I'll try it. I've seen some people in YouTube videos using this for under eye setting powder. I'll give it a shot. Maybe it'll work for me. I feel like I get really creepy under my under eye. This is full size and it is valued at $22, and that's a Xoxo Translucent. I like this packaging. Some cool funky packaging. Apto Skincare Pomegranate Mask. I love masks. As for all skin types. Oh, it's not the color you would think for pomegranate at all. Oh, it's sealed so I can't smell it, but you know what? I'm going to unseal it because I'm going to keep this. This isn't going in the giveaway. This is for me. Very herbal and floral. I love herbal medicinal smells. I think it smells so good. But I'm gonna give this a try. This is the Apto Skincare Antioxidant Mask with Pomegranate, and it is valued at $36. Kind of pricey, but it smells amazing. I'm gonna try it. I like masks. This is Ofra Madison Miller. This is her collab with Ofra. She is the owner of IPSY. I don't know why I didn't know that the other day when I did this unboxing, but I totally blew a blank. And Madison Miller is the owner and creator of IPSY. Super cute packaging. I'm really not even sure what this is yet. Looks like a palette. Oh, is this blush and highlight? Blush and highlighter. Yep, those are So blush and highlighters. About reaching other skin tones with this, I'm not so sure how versatile these will be, but I'm definitely gonna give them a try. I don't see much difference from this one to this one. I feel like that's maybe more bronzery, but that blush, depending on how it applies, could be perfect for some, quite a bit of skin tones. We'll have to see, but cute little palette. This would be fun to travel with, so I'll definitely give it a shot. It's mine. I'm putting my fingers in it. So there is, that's pretty. This is valued at $35. The last item that came in my box is Nomad with Berlin Underground Intense Eyeshadow Palette. I don't know who Berlin is, and I've never heard of Nomad Cosmetics. Sorry. I don't get out much, I'm a mom. I don't know what those are, but you know what? From the picture on here, I like it, but very cool packaging. So this is the outer packaging, and then this is the inner. Oh, special edition IPSY. It is not for sale. So this is a limited time thing for just this month for IPSY, and I think that's pretty cool. I love greens. I really, really like greens. Okay, let's open this up and see if the colors match the thing. Oh, and each one of those, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's a skull with a mohawk. Oh, you can see it pretty good on that purple. Look at that. That is really cool. So very fall. This just screams fall. Very pretty. I'm really excited to try this. I'm going to use it in the morning. So listen to this. For 28 years, a subculture of resistance and opposition grew in a city divided. Politics, art, and music all intersected for the rebellious youth fighting against the establishment. Not presidents, prime ministers, nor monarchs could make the difference. In the end, it was from humanity that the wall was built and the wall came down. Cruelty-free and vegan. Me, and I just do love that it's an IPSY exclusive. It makes you feel a little special, you know, when you get something that nobody else is gonna have because it's just for you, because you ordered IPSY. Pretty cool. That is valued at $37. So that puts us into my extra items. I can't remember the prices for these items, but they give them to you for crazy cheap if you add them to your box. So I know I like Farah brushes. This is a Farah eyeshadow brush. It matches that blue one I just actually got in my IPSY just a few days ago. And this is the 3 mini tapered blending. And it has that dark blue black thing going on again. And the handle is that matte black, really grippy. It's just a really good brush for me, I think. So I'm pretty excited about it. You can see that minor taper, see how it, but I ordered this because I knew there was an eyeshadow palette coming, but I didn't know it was this one. I'm pretty excited. I tried not to do too many sneak peeks, but I'm excited because this palette looks intense and I'm gonna need to do some serious blending. So new Farah brush. And sometimes I wish I could just buy new brushes instead of washing them, because washing brushes is a pain in the butt. And then I got this. I can't remember if this was with points or if this is something I bought separately. I can't remember, but it is Reflect Lip Gloss. And I kind of just got this to give to my daughter. I don't know if I'll use it if there's big chunks of glitter. I prefer lip gloss, but if there's big chunks of glitter, I probably won't. But look at that. That's really pretty. It's like a purpley silver, and the packaging actually reminds me a lot of Ofra. No scent. I like that. All right, it's on. I've had a bad run with lip stuff lately. All right, we have a winner. I'll keep that. I'll use that. That'll be fun. Win-win. And then I got the Ofra Madison Miller Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick because the shade looked like something I would really like. It's Oh My Rai Rai. And it is a mauvey, nudie, brownie, but on the pinky mauvey side. Anyways, a shade I will probably use, so that's why I got it for myself. But those are the 3 items I did separately, so those don't count in all of this, but I've got the Nomad Cosmetics palette, which was $37. The lipstick that I'm gonna put in the giveaway is valued at $27. Oops, there's the label, $27. And then we have the Madison Miller Highlight and Blush Palette that is just so cute and timeless looking. And that is $35. I've got the Ciate Extraordinary Translucent Setting Powder, and that is, or just translucent powder, and that is valued at $22. I've got the Apto Mask, Pomegranate Mask, and that is valued at $36. Oh, and that's it. And then my extra items. So hold please. After doing the math on my phone, it is everything in this box, not including the extras, it's totaled at $157. So I spent $25 on it, and I got $157 worth of stuff for my $25. Right here alone, this eyeshadow palette, if it is good quality, I already feel like it was well worth it to me to pay that $25 for something like that, especially when that palette was worth $37. So already one item that I'm actually really genuinely excited for already surpasses the amount I paid. So I think that's pretty cool. Do you want to see it again? You do, don't you? Here we go. Ooh, pretty. I almost feel guilty because look how cool that is. Anyways, I'm pretty excited to try this and all the other items as well. Don't forget, I am putting this in the giveaway. That is that lipstick called, the Solar is the color. And I'm gonna put that in the giveaway for you guys. Something to look forward to, and the giveaway is coming soon. Tell your friends, more the merrier, and that might be a little part of the giveaway is inviting friends. So start sharing, start liking, start subscribing, and hit that bell, and please hang out and stay a while, and be my buddy. Be my YouTube buddy. All right, bye guys. See ya.